Hi, this is Deb Karash, and I just wanted to give you a little tip on setting up your flex shaft so that it sits right at your work surface. So as you can see right here, my flex shaft is hanging right at my bench pin. And if I'm going to use my hammer handpiece to do some riveting, I set it so that it sits right at the height of that little cone there, so that when I want my flex shaft tool, whatever it is, I can just reach over, pick it up, and bring it right into my work surface. And I don't even have to look because I know it's right there. The other thing that this does is it keeps the flex shaft from swinging around in the air and controlling where your tool goes. So as you can see, I've got a zip tie. See that? Tied onto the shaft of my flex shaft. And what I've done is hooked a bungee cord on that, and then that bungee cord goes right up to where my flex shaft hangs on the hanger and hooks up there. Can you see that? Okay. And then I can easily take it off if I want to use my flex shaft for something else, or if I need to adjust where the tool is. And I can also put several different zip ties on here for different size tools and different height work surfaces. So anyway, it's a great way to have better control of your flex shaft. It also eliminates a little bit of hand fatigue. Thanks for watching.